Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do JIO internet speed test in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. For testing JIO speed, you should use JIO SIM. Here I use JIO SIM. Okay, I am checking it. Go to settings and then go to connections, and here go to SIM manager. And see here, I have used one SIM card and it's showing that JIO. Okay, so to test the speed of this JIO SIM, go to Google Chrome and type fast.com. If you type fast.com, internet speed will be checking. Yes, it's checking now. It's still checking, just wait. It crossed 500 Mbps. Wow, super speed. Its download speed is 560 Mbps. I think it's a 5G network. And click on show more info. Here you can check upload speed. 560 Mbps is surfing and download speed, and upload speed will be calculated here. In this way, you can easily check JIO SIM speed, internet speed in your phone. Here 26 ms means unloading time, and loading time is 359 ms as of now, and uploading speed is completed. This is average upload speed. Here is 21 megabyte per second, 21 Mbps. It's a good uploading speed for uploading YouTube videos or any other things. Okay, in this way you can easily check JIO SIM speed in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.